I'll show you how a two-level converter block can be used to convert a three-phase AC power to smooth DC power. Okay, for that, browse library and go specialized power system, and under sources I'm taking a three-phase source, and under power electronics we need a two-level converter block. Okay, this is our two-level converter block. Okay, and for get pulse we need a sine wave, which is under sources, and this is our sine wave. And we need a PWM generator block, okay, which is present under power electronics control, and you will find PWM generator 2 level. Okay, and under specialized power system we need a power GUI block. Okay, now and under passive we need a series RLC branch here. Okay, and again under sensor measurement we need VI voltage measurement, and finally we need a scope. Okay, that's all the element I need. First set the parameter of sine wave, amplitude 1, frequency I want to 50 Hz. Okay, so this is 2 pi 50. Okay, and as this is three phase, we have to set the phase like 0 minus 2 pi divided by 3, sorry, minus 2 plus pi divided by 3 and plus 2 pi divided by 3. Okay, so this is this will be the phase of the sine wave, and connect it to here. And under PWM generator 2 level, this is okay, three phase B 6 pulses, and frequency let's take 100 into 50. Okay, click OK, connect to the gate, and the ABC of the three phase will be connected to the ABC of the two level converter. Okay, and I'm taking phase as 415, frequency 50 Hz. Okay, click OK, and then finally in RLC branch I want to set a LC filter. Okay, and inductance will be 10A minus 3, and we need a capacitor. Okay, capacitor value is 500E minus 5. Okay, and capacitor will be connected across parallel, and again we need a resistive branch which I want to consider as load. I'm setting as 5000. Okay, now connect it all the element. Okay, this is connected here and this is connected here. Okay, so positive part terminal of the voltage I want it here, and negative will be connected here. Okay, and this is a scope. Okay, that's all I need. I'm changing stop time as 1. Okay, that is okay. I'm setting 50 Hz again. I've calculated the parameter of L and C, and it's okay. And here I'm taking 50 Hz. Okay, and frequency is okay, and this will be 10E minus 2. And okay, when you run this model, you can see the smooth curve. Okay, which is below 60 volt DC. Yeah, so this is the way you have to calculate the right parameter of L and C to give to get the desired output. Okay, I have do some work on this, and you can see the DC output here. Okay, so that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.